Okay, so lesson 4. Now take another screenshot of this one because this has slightly changed since you last saw it. We're sticking with Over the Rainbow, but this time we're going to add in a little left hand. So we're going to start to feel like we're actually a proper piano player today. So in these red boxes, I've put some extra notes, and this is what the left hand's going to play when the right hand is playing the tune that we learnt yesterday. So we've got F, A, and then that B with a little b means B flat, like that one over there. So F, A, B flat, F, B flat, A, G, C, and F. Now, we've got one note per bar. So each of these little boxes with notes in, so you've got 2 in there, you've got 5 in there, they're called bars. And in this case, they last 4 beats. So we've got each of these notes are going to be held for 4 beats. So F, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4. And then when we get to this bar, we've got 2. So we're going to do 2 beats for each. G, 2, C, 2, and F for 4 beats again. Now, if you're wondering sort of what's going on over here, hopefully you might have noticed yesterday that it's exactly the same. So we'll quickly pop over here. So this red box is exactly the same as the blue box. It just starts in a different place. So the tune just happens twice. And when we play it with a backing track in class, that's what we do. So if we go back to the left hand, so we need to play each of these notes for 4 beats. So what we're going to do is we're going to be up here. Now I'm going to play slightly higher on my keyboard today because I need the space. So the tune that we did yesterday, which is down here, I'm going to play up here this time. And it doesn't really matter where you play it, to be honest with you. As long as it's the right notes, you can play anywhere on your keyboard. So left hand starts on the F. We're still going to start with our, like we were doing a little scale. We're going to start with number 5 on the F, first note. We're going to go F, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to have the 3 on the A, so A, 2, 3, 4, and then finger 2 is going to do B flat for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go back to the F, so back to the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you get used to doing that first, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the next bit, it goes to B flat, 2, 3, 4, back to the F, 2, 3, 4. And then we have the G, C, F. So it's G, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4. So just try doing the G, C, and F. So G, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, and G, 2, 3, C, 2, 3. Sorry. G, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4. So the whole pattern, hopefully you've got that screenshotted from earlier. We've got F, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4. I'll go a little bit slower just to show you one more time. F, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, B flat, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4. So once you've got really confident with doing that, then you can start thinking about putting the right hand in with it. The right hand hasn't changed from yesterday. So just to remind you how that went, it's F, F, E, C, D, E, F, F, D, C, 2, 3, 4, D, B flat, A, F, G, A, B flat, G, E, F, G, A, F, 2, 3, 4. Now, when you're looking at the music, have a look at where each of these left-hand notes fit with the right hand. So you can see that we're going to play 2 Fs together here, and we get to the second bar when the A comes along. It's when we get to the E, which is the E, C, D, E, F, and then we've got a B flat with an F, and then finally on that last bit we've got C with an F there as well. So together, hand together, the first bit looks like this. Sorry, I changed my finger in on the right hand there, but that was right otherwise. So if you think about what's fitting with what, so we start with 2 Fs, and the F happens, and then when we play the E in the right hand, we go into the A in the left hand. And we're going back down to the F, we play a B flat in the left hand. And we finish off with F and C together, like that. So I'll show that again. Oops. Now, that won't happen straight away. I really recommend that you chunk it up and do really small parts. So it might even be just start off by going F, F, E, and just get that right. F, F, E, and once that transition's fine, then move on to do the, and then try the next transition. So it might be, so really just do each bar at a time. So then you can add those 3 bits together. Sorry. And so on. And then just keep adding each bar on until you've got all that left hand. Now, you might find that the right hand gets a little bit worse for a little while. It might have been perfect yesterday, but because you're thinking about 2 things now, the right hand might not be as strong. Don't get frustrated, that's really normal. Or it might be that because you've just learnt the left hand, you forget what you do with your left hand. So if that happens, just go back and either revise just the left hand, or even just revise the right hand. And then put it back together again. That will take practice. That won't happen probably in one lesson. And I'm just going to play the whole thing again for you a few times just so you can see how it all works. And then I shall leave you to it. So, starting on 2 Fs. Here we go. 3, 4. Even slower. 2, 3, and. And at full speed. 2, 3, 4. Cool. Good luck with that one. Be patient with that because that's not easy. And like I said, keep coming back to it. It won't happen straight away. So maybe do it for 5-10 minutes, have a break, come back to it. And maybe it's something you need to maybe come back to over the weekend as well. Good luck.